Hi, this is the accounts page. Now the purpose of this page is to detail or list all your customers along with all their site details. So on the first table you can see we've got the customer's detail there, so the accounts person, phone number, fax and so forth. And that way we know who the contact person is within that organisation, and we can send invoices or post invoices or contracts or important information to that customer. With every customer then comes their accounts. So what account means is each site location. So the site where they require their services, whether it's cleaning, guarding, cash and transit, whatever their services may be. But every site location needs a site code, because as you can see on this second table, you'll have their site code, description, address. So obviously each location will have its own address. You'll have your Google address, contact person. Within this table as well, you've got your charges, your windows, and anything else that you feel you need to bill this client. You have the customer of. You've got waiting fees, processing fees, patrol fees. If we don't have something that you charge for within this list, then of course our back-end team, code writers, can create fields and charges that you wish to be charging for. But this is just an example of what our table, our site accounts used to look like. So this way, the way it works is obviously you've got a customer, you've got an account, and then you're going to have a staff member. So within this table here, your charges, when we allocate the staff member to do this particular role, then when that person signs on and off, the charges will go as follows: calculate and then send this client the invoice. So it's really important to have both of these tables up to date. If you don't have any dollar amounts here, then obviously you'd be invoicing the client a blank invoice. It's really important to have all these details filled out, and then you've got your regionals and your public holiday rates and so forth. So do this once, and then every time someone attends that site location, you know that the customer will get charged for it. Now the way we add a new account to the customer is you can simply, if the majority of the information is the same, being the charges and emails and contacts and whatnot, the only thing you'd need to change would be the site code and the address. So you could just merely hit quick copy, and as you can see, it's copied all the details that were on the previous table. But then you will change the site to make it unique, because every site code has to be unique, the site description and the address. So I'll just cancel that for the meantime. Again, you can add entire new quote, add an account. So just hit add new account. But that means you've got literally a blank sheet with no details here, so you'd have to import all the details in again. And being that it's the same customer, I will just quick copy and make those small changes, being, which is actually mandatory to change, is the site code and the address, of course, because it's a different location that you'll be putting in. And at any time you can also just cancel that. Sorry. At any time you could edit the account and make any changes there. So just cancel that as well. And down below you've got a table showing you all the site listings for that particular customer. Thank you.